Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. These are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, Pisces. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have World, sorry guys, Devil, Four of Pentacles. So Pisces, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really stubborn, someone who has certain ideas or beliefs, or you want to do things your way, and you are someone trying to control others or control your circumstances, and you want to do things your way and only your way because you feel that you are the one who is right always. And you may have people telling you to be flexible, trying to advise you or suggest you certain things, but you are not willing to listen. So it may be your energy or your person's energy in this relationship. Maybe they want to tell you something, they want you to change, make some changes to you because you are very stubborn, holding on to something or believing something, and you are not changing no matter what difficulties you see in your life today. And you, maybe this person feels really lost, or they feel that they have lost control, or they feel that situation is out of control because of your behavior, because you are someone so strong, stubborn, forcing things on this person. They may not like it, or you may be very possessive about something, obsessive thoughts or obsessive actions. Maybe you have some behavior addictions maybe today. That again is really difficult. That is affecting you, affecting your work potential and affecting this relationship. And this indulgence is really difficult for you to handle. You want to change, or this person you love, they are trying to change you, but you do not change, or you are not trying to change. So you are not making efforts, enough efforts today, Pisces. That is also what I see. And maybe for some of you, your situation may change, maybe with all these troubles, or maybe this person helping you come out of these addictions or change your obsessive behavior, whatever is troubling you. They are here to help you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Six of Cups. So maybe you may have people telling you, reminding you of what you were maybe in the past, maybe before these addictions. You were someone better, someone really good. Maybe they are bringing back those happy memories, reminding you of what you were and trying to help you out. So you have someone who is going to help you out today, Pisces. It may be your energy or their energy towards you. And you need to keep, if you have these addictions, if this is your energy, you need to keep a check on these addictions. That is going to help you, Pisces. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe that may be some delays or suspensions in your work. Something may not happen as expected, and you may see that you need to take a risk, maybe take a leap of faith in your work circumstances, maybe making some choices you are not so confident about, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co-create. So in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in, telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you are powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life-changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.